A new smartphone just dropped, and it's sold out on the very first day. But this isn't just any phone. It's a device that could completely change how we interact with our gadgets, all thanks to some powerful new AI. So, what's all the fuss about? The phone is the ZTE Nubia M153, and what makes it special is that it's running a new AI assistant from ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. This isn't just another voice app. This is the Doubao Mobile Assistant, and it's built right into the phone's operating system. Think of it as a super smart helper that can do way more than just set alarms or answer simple questions. Imagine just telling your phone to book a table at your favorite restaurant for Friday night, and it just does it. Or asking it to edit your photos, and it handles the cropping, color correction, and filters for you. That's the kind of power we're talking about. This AI agent can understand complex voice commands and carry out multi-step tasks all on its own. Now, this particular model was described as an engineering prototype, which means it was a limited release, mainly available online. Neither ByteDance nor ZTE announced exactly how many phones were made available. But whatever that number, it wasn't enough. They sold out completely by Monday evening. The demand was so high that the customer service team started asking potential buyers to submit requests for how many phones they want, so they can figure out how many more to produce. This partnership between ByteDance and ZTE is a huge deal. It shows how China is really leading the way in integrating advanced AI directly into the consumer electronics we use every day. They're not just keeping AI in the lab, they're putting it directly into our hands. The original price for this prototype was about $490 for US dollars. But with it selling out so fast, you know what happened next. The phone immediately appeared on second-hand market sites like Xiaoyu, with resellers asking for prices up to almost $700. That's a massive 43% markup. It just goes to show how excited people are to get their hands on what could be the next big thing in mobile technology. This really feels like a glimpse into the future. We're moving from just using apps to having intelligent agents that can manage our digital lives for us. What do you think? Is this the future of smartphones? Would you want an AI assistant that can handle your bookings and edit your photos? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.